Now let us look into Standard 8, Chapter 4, Geometry, Exercise 4.3. Construct the quadrilateral PLAY, play, whose measures are given. PL is given 7 cm, LA is given 6 cm, AY is given 6 cm, PA is given 8 cm and LY is given 7 cm. First, let us draw a rough diagram. This is a rough diagram, so exact measurement is not required. Now let us plot the points P, L, A, Y. PL is given 7 centimeter. LA is given 6 centimeter. AY is given 6 centimeter. PA is equal to 8 centimeter given. This is PA. So we have to join these 2 points and draw a line. Let us join these 2 points P and A. The measure of this is 8 centimeter. This is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. It divides the quadrilateral into 2 triangles here. Now the next measurement is given, LY is given 7 centimeter. Now you can see here L and Y. So let us join these 2 points. This is another diagonal. Let us join this. The measure of this diagonal is given 7 centimeter. Now let us draw the fair diagram. Let us construct the quadrilateral. Now you can see here PL is given 7 centimeter. So let us draw the line segment PL which measures 7 centimeters. PL is equal to 7 centimeters. Now you can see we have drawn PL is equal to 7 centimeter line segment. Now the next one you can see here PA. First we have to draw this bottom triangle, then we'll draw the top triangle. So here you can see the measure of PA is 8 centimeter. So let us take the measure of 8 centimeter and using a compass we are going to draw an arc. So measure 8 centimeters using ruler. Measure 8 centimeters using the ruler. Now it's 8 centimeters. Now with P as center and radius 8 centimeters, we have to draw an arc. Next, you can see here AL is given 6 centimeters. So with L as center and radius 6 centimeters. Measure 6 centimeters using the ruler. 6 centimeters with L as center, radius 6 centimeters. Cut the previous arc. And this is the intersecting point here. So mark it as A. Now you can join PA. And LA. Join LA. PA is 8 centimeter and LA is 6 centimeter. Now you can see here another diagonal. So from L as center, with L as center and radius 7 centimeters, we have to draw an arc. So let us measure 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Now with L as center, radius 7 centimeter, we have to draw an arc here. Now the next given measurement you can see here is AY is given 6 centimeter. So with A at center, 6 centimeter radius, we are going to cut the previous arc. So let us measure 6 centimeter first. 6 centimeter. Now with A at center, 6 centimeters radius, cut the previous arc. Now you can see this is the intersecting point. Mark it as Y. Now you have to join L, Y and A, Y. Join Ly and Ay. Ly is 7 centimeter. So right here 7 centimeter and Ay is 6 centimeter. Now you can see here 3 sides we have drawn, okay, and these two diagonals are also drawn. So 5 we have completed. Now the other side is not given. So we have to join these 2 points P and Y. This is the other side, right? But the measurement is not given. Okay. So this is the other side we have joined. Now we have drawn the quadrilateral. Now we have to find the area because they have asked you find the area also. So to find the area, what is the formula? To find the area of the quadrilateral, area of the quadrilateral. The name of this quadrilateral is PLAY. Area formula is half into D into H1 plus H2 square units. Here you can see H1 and H2. Here diagonal is given but height is not given. So we have to find. Take a set square and you have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay. So here you can draw a perpendicular line. You can see here we are able to construct here. And this side also you can see here. Place the set square on the diagonal and just move it so that it makes an angle of 90 degrees and it is perpendicular to it. Now let us draw a line. It's perpendicular. So you can see here it's 90 degrees here. Now we have to measure the height. This is the height. Now it is equal to 1.4 centimeter. It is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Now let us measure the another height. It is 5.1 centimeter. Now let us name this as H1. Let us take this one as H1 and this as H2. Now we have find H1 and H2. So we can find the area of this quadrilateral. It is equal to half into diagonal 8 centimeter into H1 is 1.4 plus H2 is 5.1 centimeter square. You can write the units centimeter square. It is equal to half into 8 into 1.4 plus 5.1 is equal to 6.5. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now multiply 4 into 6.5. It is equal to 4 5s are is 20.2, 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26.0. That is, it is equal to 26 centimeter square. So the area of this quadrilateral is 26 centimeter square. Thank you.